Welcome to this how-to video. This one's on students showing work on a computer. This video explains how students can use the MHS Interactive Whiteboard to show their work on their computer. From within a student account, click on Assignments, and then click on Complete Assignment. Let's take a closer look at it. The prompt says, "You are expected to show your work for the questions in this assignment." This button must be selected to choose an answer. It's very important that the ABCD button is selected in order for you to be able to choose your answer to each question. Click on I understand, and it takes you to the assignment. The assignment is overlaid on an interactive whiteboard that has a full set of tools that you can use to show your work. Let's go through what each of the icons at the top of your assignment represents. Then we'll go through how each of the tools works in more detail. The Draw tool allows you to write or draw freehand on the whiteboard. The Shapes tool allows you to draw lines or create geometric shapes. The Images tool allows you to add image files to the whiteboard. The Select tool allows you to move items around the whiteboard or to throw them in the trash. The Text tool lets you add stylized text. The Equation editor allows you to produce math equations or expressions and add them to the whiteboard. This button must be selected in order to choose your answer for the question. This is how you navigate through the questions of the assignment. The Submit Assignment button will turn green once you have answered all of the questions, and you can then submit your assignment. You are able to add multiple pages of work, but usually you'll only need the one page. You can access video help on any question in your Show Your Work assignments. This provides access to scientific and graphing calculators and to print your assignment. Let's go back to the assignment and take a look at each of the tools in a little more detail. Now we're back in the assignment. Let's look at what each of the tools allows us to do. Let's start with the Draw tool. The Draw tool allows us to write freehand on the whiteboard or to draw. It comes preset with the blue as the color, but if you click on the icon, you can choose any color for your text or drawing. You can also change your pen size with these buttons. Now let's take a closer look at the Shapes menu. This tool allows you to add lines or geometric figures. You can add straight lines, triangles, rectangles, circles, or you can even put polygons in. Let's take a look at the Images tool. This tool allows you to either drag and drop or choose image files off of your computer to add to the whiteboard. Click on Choose File, locate the image on your computer, and click Open and Upload. At this point, you can rotate the image if it's not right side up, and then click Insert Image to add it to the whiteboard. You can then move it around anywhere you want. Now the Select tool. This tool allows you to grab elements on the whiteboard and drag them around to where you want them to be, or to drag them over and throw them in the trash. Let's take a look at the Text tool. The text editor allows you to add stylized text to the whiteboard. You have a full range of tools. You can change the font size. You can change the color of the text. And when you're ready, click Insert Text and add it to the whiteboard. Now the whiteboard will not know where you want the text to appear. With the Select tool, take all of your elements and format them to where you would like them to appear. Let's look at the Equation Editor. This tool allows you to add detailed math expressions and equations to the whiteboard. When you're finished, click on Embed Equation, and it will be added to the whiteboard. Again, use the Select tool to move your elements to where you'd like them to be. The last tool on the top is the ABCD button, and this needs to be selected in order to answer the question. Once you've selected that, you can go down and you'll be able to answer that question. Note that if you are into any other tool, you will not be able to answer the question. So, click on ABCD and click the answer you would like for that question. That's it for the whiteboard tools. There's a lot you can do with them. That's it. Thanks for watching.